As we all know, the grounds here are always in need of something. I mean, you can't get away without spending a large amount of time on the grounds, but that's why it's beautiful. You've got to just take rough with the smooth, how do I say? Yeah, I suppose so. And try to find ways of making it easier. I mean, I really hate strimming, and it's a massive part of it because you just, well, things continue to grow. But the only way really I can manage to look after this place myself is with a little bit of help. That help has been sent to me by Navimo. So they've sent me a Navimo X450, which is really easy to use with the app. So you set it up, it can do automatic mapping, or where my garden is a bit more complicated, as you can see, I've done manual mapping. So I can do all of the no-go zones, all of the different zones. So here's where it charges outside the garage, where the cherry picker is, along the driveway. So it can do huge areas, multiple different areas, and it's simply easy to use. You can do a mowing schedule, which I haven't set up yet. I'm not sure what I want to do, just do it constantly. That's quite easy to do. You do various work modes, so it can be quiet if you're actually in the garden. You can obviously adjust the cutting height very easily. I've got mine set low. It'll mow at night or not if you want. It depends, it's up to you. You can do mowing reports very easily. You can do all sorts of things. The weather, well, it is just constant in between rain and sunshine at the moment, which is great for the grounds because they grow. So today is the first day that it's been kind of good enough to be able to get grass cut, and as you can see, it's quite long and full of dandelions. And my little helper, well, it's not so little. I think I might get on it and ride it. It is a Navimo, so they are by the company Segway, and look at this. It does turning on itself because the front wheels go in. Oh, I'm too close to it. It doesn't like me. So this particular model, this actually does full 0 turns, but without doing the old tank turns which rip up the ground, because the front wheels move out and move to one side like that. Isn't that so? I'm really hoping that this finishes off my collection out here of, you know, helpers, and really does it. I've been really impressed with this one so far for lots of reasons. That tank turn is fantastic, get in the way of sensors, and it's really good for the wildlife around here, because this time of year I do have the wild ducks wandering around in the back garden, that sort of thing, and it just gets on with it. Other thing which I have found fantastic about this little Navimo, and I am so glad they sent me this to test out. I'll use this as an example. Over here, this edge to the moat is a nightmare because of the angle here and how rough it is. I mean, it will get better with time, and none of the other mowers I've tested out could ever handle down here. In fact, you can see all the areas where they would just get stuck and then dig themselves a little hole and do nothing, whereas now we can see that Navimo has just done that section without issue, and that is because it's got traction control. So I know lots of people, certainly lots of people locally, have always asked me what I'd managed to do to keep the gardens looking good, and then they always say, well, I couldn't have one of those though because I've got too much rough ground and uneven stuff. Well, maybe not anymore. So it's just getting on with it, and as you can see, it's doing a very good job. It's if the blades get stuck, it doesn't sit in the back garden, it actually just goes to its charging station, so you can always find it, which is a massively helpful thing. As you've seen from the app, it's massively easy to use. I mean, simple gardens, it'll do self-mapping. It's a bit more complicated than something like this, obviously, with the no-go zones, but it's still massively easy to use. And considering this was obviously, because of the rain and everything, quite a mess, it's done a good job. And as you can see, it's doing random patterns, which means you never really get lines or wear in the wrong direction. So I'm really hoping this massively solves some problems. And we're not finished there, but I am gonna leave this to get on to things while I show you why we're not finished. And Navimo have been really kind, not only helping me out with the large mower for here, which hopefully will really do well and just be a leave and forget. They have given me this Navimo i2, which is all-wheel drive and will do 600 square meters. Uses all of the same technology, so it'll do auto mapping. It will doesn't need an antenna, so it works off 4G and it's lifetime free. Again, it'll do 0 turns this, so it won't chew everything up. Really is a fantastic little thing for much smaller gardens as a giveaway. So anybody that wants to be in with a chance for winning this Navimo i2, leave a comment on this video and follow the Navimo official YouTube channel, link in the description. And when you've done both of those things, I will pick a random winner from the comment section. If you want your chance to win a Navimo i2, leave a comment underneath this video. So thank you, Navimo, for sponsoring this video. If you want to look at any of the Navimo products, take a look. The link is in the description below this video. And once again, do not forget, if you want a chance to win the little Navimo i2, just leave a comment and I will pick a winner at random. So thanks, Navimo, for sending me this and for sponsoring this video. Let's get on with it. Right, well, I think that's pretty full. Can I get... no, literally can't get anything more in this. I don't know what, no. Looks like a bit more space. I could get a bit more space in it. Yeah, that's right. It is that time of year again. So I am having a week off. I am going down to the Le Mans 24-hour race, see all my friends who I see once a year, go camping, and not think about this place and all the work that goes on. So I will, well, no, do you know what? Actually, by the time you watch this, I'll be back. And while I'm gone, my little mower will be looking after the gardens so I don't have to. It's a useful little thing. So thank you for Navimo for sponsoring this video and allowing me to get on with other jobs while that is looking after the grass. And don't forget, everybody, to leave a comment and subscribe to the Navimo official channel if you want a chance to win the smaller one. And what can I say? I want to go and enjoy myself. Thanks so much for watching. I kind of almost can't wait to get back and have a really big push for the annual event and the huge stuff. I really want to get that bar sorted, and then the good weather is coming again. So thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye now.